Good evening to you. We have been on the receiving end of some very damp, cloudy, breezy conditions coming in from the Atlantic. That's set to change later on this week, but more than that in a wee moment. But as far as tonight's concerned, actually a lot of dry weather across southern and eastern Scotland initially. Some bits and pieces of rain across the west, but that rain will start to become more persistent during the course of the night and eventually really spreading across much of western Scotland by morning, extending into the northern Isles as well. But it will stay dry in the east, and it will be a mild night and a breezy night once again. So tomorrow morning starts on a rather cloudy note, outbreaks of rain in the west, possibly the odd rumble of thunder. Now that rain will be persistent and heavy in the west at times, but it does move through to the east and degenerating as it does, fragmenting, with actually many eastern parts escaping predominantly dry. Now coming the afternoon, I'm glad to say it is an improving picture. It will be fairly cloudy towards the Hebrides, the southwest, and bits and pieces of rain or drizzle, but I think the wind will be strong enough to break up that cloud at times and come further east across the borders and towards Edinburgh, the Lothians, dry, some spells of sunshine coming through, similarly up towards Fife and Angus, but across the west of the country, always a risk of seeing some drizzle at times. But again, I do think we'll see a bit of brightness coming through. Across the Outer Hebrides too, we should see some sunshine, and it will be mild everywhere, and of course breezy with a fresh to strong westerly wind. Dry too for Caithness by the afternoon, Orkney as well. Shetland will continue to see the rain. So as we head towards the evening time, it will be dry for a time, but then we start to see outbreaks of rain gathering force across western Scotland during the course of the night. Now, if I can draw your attention to the pressure chart, you can see we have this weather front here introducing rain during the course of Wednesday night, but as that rain clears away, we do see the introduction of much colder air across Scotland for Thursday. It looks like we could see some wintry showers too for the north and west. But it does start off wet across more northern and western parts on Wednesday, the rain gathering force across the West Highlands, but for the south and east predominantly dry, even some sunshine across eastern Scotland, and it stays windy and also mild. That's your forecast.
You had to go and spoil it.
I did, didn't I?
Thank you very much, Judith.